You see guys, as a 26 years old, my life took a completely different turn than most of my friends, mainly because of the decisions that I have made compared to my peers. They are either drunk, drug addicts, and have no idea what they are doing in life. Whereas I have a completely clear path towards where I'm going, and what got me here is that I have been doing all the right things in my 20s, which is the complete opposite of what they are doing and what they are telling you to do. When you put this into practice, you will be doing what you love instead of doing what they love or what they are telling you to do. And when you do that, you'll just be a happier person. But I don't blame them because no one was there to tell them what they need to do in their 20s. Which is what I'm going to tell you today. Here are the 4 things that you need to do in your 20s. Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil Ladores and welcome back to our channel. And I know most of you guys have been misled, or maybe you have that feeling of midlife crisis that everyone is talking about. So here's what you need to do. Number 1 is what I am doing. Follow your passion. No, I'm not telling you to do YouTube, but if that's your thing, then go ahead. But the reality is, people are afraid of doing what they want to do because they are afraid of what other people might say or what their parents will say. But after you have taken that first step, you will realize that it was not that bad. You should have tried this earlier, should have done that earlier. There was nothing to be afraid of. And I followed my passion. I started doing business at the age of 21. And I know that I had my own fair share of business mistakes. I've made mistakes here and there as well, but that is where you grow. Making mistakes is how we learn. That is how we learn as a people, as human beings. I literally laughed in my head when people kept telling about not making mistakes, of doing this instead of doing that. Should have done this, you shouldn't have done that. But doing business, making content and giving them to you guys, that is my passion. That is why I get up every morning. I love it when other people say that I can't achieve a certain things, and I love the look on their faces when I achieve them. Because I love proving people wrong. I just love doing what I do because I have tried a lot of things, especially in business. I have tried apartment, real estate, agriculture, poultry, supplements. The point that I am trying to make for our tip number 2 is that we are young, and right now in our 20s, this should be the time when you should be doing or trying everything that you want to do in order for you to locate your passion, to find out what we actually want. That is how we locate our passion, and if you don't try, how will you know if you even love it? Which leads us to tip number 3, which is monetizing your passion. You need to find a way how to make money out of the things that you love to do, and you will never have to work for the rest of your life. Classic quote. I like business. I like staying healthy, so I am building an empire around it. As you can see, all of my businesses are geared towards health, agriculture, livestock and poultry, supplements, and right now I also want to try out fitness. Find a way to make money out of your passion. If you love photography, you can sell your pictures. You can sell them on eBay. You can sell them on Shutterstock. You can even make your own brand. You can even set up your own studio. You can even set up your own camera shop. Number 4, you need to make sacrifices. You need to sacrifice instant gratification for long-term goals. Look at the time right now. Right now, it's 1:28 in the morning. After my duty, I went back to the cabin and I start scripting my videos and I record them immediately just for you guys. That is what you should be doing. You shouldn't get tired of your passion. You should be trying to execute all your ideas, all your dreams, all your goals. Because a dream without a deadline and without execution is just a dream at all. You need to make sacrifices. You need to sacrifice your sleep, whatever it takes to execute on your goal. Sacrifice what you have to sacrifice in order to get to your goal. So that is it for me today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like. Smash that like button. Comment down below on the topic you want me to discuss next, or even your thoughts about this video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Hey guys, so if you have watched this far, or if you have reached this far, then I'm happy to announce that we will be giving away one pair of AirPods to one lucky YouTube subscriber once we hit 1K subs. To join the giveaway, all you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe now. Now is the best time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video and comment down below on why you should win the brand new AirPods. Now, I won't be giving these AirPods because this one's already used. I will be giving away, guys, one brand new guys, brand new. I will not give you used AirPods. I will be giving away brand new AirPods. So be sure to hit the subscribe button now, and I will pick one lucky subscriber from our pool of subscribers. So good luck, and I hope that we reach that 1K subs as early as we can, because this bad boy really can't wait to be given away, to be in your hands. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.